Hi guys, this is Mahira and you're watching Chai Chips and Drama. I don't know, I can't be that girl anymore.
I am Ifa Khalid and I'm sitting with Pakistan's biggest superstars. तो इन दोनों की जितनी तारीफ करूँ उतनी कम है. And because you are in Dubai, so I think my first question will start with that now that you are in Dubai and you're promoting the film, is there something about the city or the fans over here that makes you excited?
We get to see everybody from all other countries as well. I think that's the biggest thing about Dubai.
I grew up in Dubai. Not a very small part of my life. But I went to Dubai Scholars. So it kind of, I wouldn't say that it is, every city that I've lived in, coming back has always got some touch of nostalgia, even though Dubai has changed.
You didn't know that you grew up in Dubai.
Yeah, I've spent a few years.
Spent a few years?
Yeah, 4 or 5 years.
कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई हर जगह उसने चंद साल यूएई में कहीं ना कहीं गुजारे होते हैं.
मैंने नहीं.
So it's been almost 5 years since Nilofer was filmed, if I'm not wrong. On screen soon, inshallah, in 8-7 days. How does it feel to see it finally out, and what changes have you seen in both of you as an actor?
We're very excited. I'm feeling a little possessive about it. It'll no longer be just ours. It'll be everyone's Nilofer. So yeah, it's a little. I think I'm having trouble letting go. Usually I'm just like, out, go, bye-bye. Now you're the world's. This time I'm having a little bit of trouble. But yes, we're excited. We're nervous.
Please don't say that. क्या तो screen पे ना लगे letting it go.
वैसे I know. इतना देखिए how weird is life and how strange we are as human beings. That you wait for 5 years or and you're just waiting. इस साल release करो, ये करो, वो करो. And now that it's happening, you're holding on to it. We're just strange species. But anyway, so yeah, very excited.
So Lahore looks stunning in the trailer.
It does. Thank you.
What inspired the decision to shoot the film there? And what does Lahore add to Nilofer's world?
This was Amar's decision, Amar Rasool's call. He wrote and directed the film. And Lahore, I think for anyone who lives in Lahore, there's an element of, and I think it's with every city, but because I'm born in Karachi, grew up abroad, came back to Lahore, but lived in Lahore since 92 onwards, it is my city. And I've seen this city change over the years to what it's become. एक ज़माना था जब बिल्कुल खाली like सड़कें होती थी, अब बहुत traffic होती है. But having said that, एक attachment है उसके साथ. And I feel it is kind of like I wouldn't say it's a Parisian love story, but it just has that element of कि जो लाहौर की सर्दियाँ होती हैं, वो एक अलग किस्म की सर्दियाँ होती हैं, वो शायद किसी और शहर में नहीं है. Lahore is a city of romance. It's a city of writers. So I think it was the most appropriate place to shoot.
You've spoken about Amar Rasool, who is a newer director. He's also the writer of the film. He's transitioned from short films to a major feature film. How was the experience of working with him? Did his direction bring something fresh or unexpected to the project? I saw your clip yesterday of the wig one.
Oh, yeah, I posted. Do you remember this? Trying to convince Amar that I should have short hair. I should cut my hair real short because I wanted it to have an Amelie-esque.
Yep.
Yeah, that. Exactly. He had a heart attack. He was just like, no, that's not Nilofer.
How was it working with him for both of you as someone who's new to the feature film?
So, I think most of us are. We're directors, actors. And I also enjoy directors a lot. Generally, no matter what, I like directors and I like observing them and how they are. Everyone's so different. Amar is a unique
character.
There were times where I would just listen to him and stare at him and I would enjoy listening to him because again, he's written it. बड़े इस दिल के करीब है नीलोफर. Just to understand it from his point of view was very important for me. Most of the time he let us do our own thing. It was almost like he felt like so long as we are feeling it and we're in it, he would enjoy us doing our own little dance to those notes. And that was something. There were times where both of us, at least I used to feel, even Fawad used to feel like, wait, you like this one? Yes, I like it. और आपको क्या चाहिए? Or what do you think what do you want? I mean, that's such a, we're like, no, but we just did, can we do one more? Of course, he brought his own take to both of us, I'm sure. but he let us be and do our own thing for the most part, I feel.
So, Fawad and Mahira, both of you, your fan base isn't just in Pakistan. I started my content page right after the press con of Abir Gulal. And I was overwhelmed with the amount of love I was getting on my page for you. It's like an everyday, every minute thing. And there are so many fans from Bangladesh, from India, from Nepal. पाकिस्तान में हमें पता है कि आप बहुत मशहूर हैं और हमारे स्टार्स हैं, बट साउथ एशिया में आपका इतना जुनून है, इसके बारे में मुझे यहाँ आने के बाद पता चला. सो इज़ देयर एनी मैसेज दैट यू वुड लाइक टू से टू योर साउथ एशियन फैंस हु आर बेस्ड इन द यूएई?
जी, आई मीन आई थिंक हम कॉन्स्टेंटली देखते हैं जब ट्रैवल करते हैं पाकिस्तान से, जैसे ही बाहर जाते हैं वी रियलाइज दैट वी आर एक्सट्रीमली लव्ड. And we are very, very grateful for that. But what can I say except for the fact that don't think that this love goes in vain. I think somewhere, you know, we get affected by other things that are happening in countries, governments, things like that. And of course, it's something you say that art has no borders. It really, truly doesn't. Music doesn't. Films don't. आपको कोई चीज़ अच्छी लग जाती है, आपके दिल को भा जाती है तो भा जाती है. मैं म्यूज़िक नहीं छोड़ती अपना, जो मुझे पुराना पसंद है मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी, क्योंकि वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. इट डज समथिंग टू माय सोल. फिल्म में नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं, किताबें. सो आप ये मत सोचिएगा कि आपका प्यार, आपकी जो आप हमें इतना प्यार देते हैं वो कभी भी इन वेन जाएगा. वी नो इट, वी फील इट, एंड I wish we could just give it all back in a tight hug to all of you. And I am very grateful for it. I'm sure he is too, and he'll say something to that.
Well, एक में चीज़ मैंने over the years बहुत कम interviews मैंने interviews तकरीबन देने छोड़ दिए. I took a bit of a break. मैं एक बात कहा करता था पहले और आज भी I think it stands true. The art has two owners of it. Any art. It is one who makes it, and then there's one who admires it. Without either of the two, it's not complete. And that is why fans, admirers, qadardaan इनको कहते हैं, वो बहुत important होते हैं for your art to survive. And I used to say without that, I wouldn't be the actor that I am. I say this again now in today's context. जैसे जैसे उम्र बढ़ती जाती है, आपको ना समझ आना शुरू होता है कि यार वक्त हमारा आएगा. When you're young, you don't realize that it could end right now. Even though it can, but you don't realize it as much. And as you grow older, you realize it. फिर आपको बहुत सारी सच्चाइयाँ समझ आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. I strongly believe रिस्क तो अल्लाह के हाथ में है, you know, इज्जत तो जिल्लत भी अल्लाह के हाथ में होती है. So मैं अगर कोई और काम करूँ तो वहाँ से मुझे मिल जाएगा कुछ ना कुछ. You know, उसने हर किसी को पालना है तो मुझे पाल लेंगे. So this I'm saying with utmost honesty that without your appreciation, your support, I wouldn't be Fawad Khan the actor, maybe Fawad Khan someone else. I wouldn't be Fawad Khan the artist. And that is why I'm truly indebted and grateful to you.
Mara, my friend Hur Ghazni has sent this question. He has designed the merch for Nilofer. Hassan probably know him. He wanted to ask if VJ Mahira had to send a message to all your fans to go watch Nilofer. What would she say?
Oh my God, come on. Are you serious? I don't even remember what I used to do. Go and watch my film Nilofer. You guys will love it.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure meeting you both.
Thank you so much.